Deep within the jungles of the Americas, the seasons are changing, and the birds must migrate south for the winter. Enter Avianus universalis, or the blue-bellied warbler. This particular blue-bellied warbler is in quite a pickle. While all the cool birds are shagging about, he has yet to find a mate. If he does not find one soon, he runs the risk of ending his bloodline. Just as all hope is lost, a potential prospect meets his gaze. A lovely specimen indeed. Our bachelor moves in for the kill. But it seems he's not the only one eyeing this bird. The rival bird stands fully erect to assert dominance. Fortunately, our bird sees fit to challenge the imposing threat. It's customary among the warblers to castrate the dispatched foe. Now a bird will either bleed to death or die alone. In this case, both. Sadly, that's the law of nature.